whisper something happy in my ear. Just a sedative to make me disappear.
Hey guys, it's Korina. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make bracelets. So over the years I've collected many different kinds of beads. I'm drawn to more natural materials like stone and wood. I just think that they have the best vibration and just look the best, I think. So when I first start, I sit down and I pick out which beads I want for my bracelet. I usually follow some sort of color scheme. So here I'm using mostly like cool tones, turquoise and purple. And I'll show you the beads that I picked out. Okay, so after I've picked out my beads, I take my string. So here I'm using like one of those stretchy sorts of strings. And I use these little metal clasps. They're like little metal beads that you put on and you clasp them on to make a loop. And that way at the end I can close it up. So that's the first thing I do. It also holds the beads on there. Okay, so after I've done that, I start putting on my beads. And I like to make mine symmetric. So I do half the bracelet. Like I put half the beads on the bracelet. And then when I've got to the middle, I usually have some sort of bead that like signifies that it's the middle. And then I just copy the beads that I've used in the opposite order until I've reached the end of the bracelet. And when I've reached the end, I like measure it on my wrist to make sure that it fits. And if it doesn't, I'll adjust it, like take some beads off or add more beads. Sometimes you have to go all the way back to the other half to fix it, and then I'll loop it through and I'll use that same little metal bead from the beginning and I'll clasp it on, make a loop and clasp it through. And then I'll look at it and make sure that it fits right. So since I've shown you the general process of how I make bracelets, I'm going to let this time lapse play through and let you see how I make the rest of them.
Sailing ships in space. Can you imagine sailing ships in space when there's nothing to do but drink in the view of Jupiter and Saturn? Sailing ships in space. Can you imagine trying the cosmic race? The solar waves send you astray to the haze of Titan's gaze. These years I've spent flying solo malcontent, wishing hard I could extend my hand and touch the land on those
Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art and related videos. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye.